Hello, grade 6. Our topic today is compare and order integers. The objective to compare and order integers. If I want to compare integers on the horizontal number line, I look to the numbers. We'll start from 0. Then positive integers greater than 0. Positive integers is always greater than 0. So all of the positive integers greater than 0. What about negative integers? Negative integers less than 0. All of the negative integers less than 0. Now look at this statement. Any number is less than the number to its right. Any number is less than the number to its right. What that means? If I want to compare negative 1 with positive 2, as this statement, any number is less than the number to its right, so negative 1 it will be less than positive 2 because 2 is greater than negative 1. And this is another statement. Any number is more than the number to its left. Any number is more than the number to its left. That means if I want to compare negative 2 and negative 4, which number it will be greater than the other? Negative 2 and negative 4. If I look to these numbers, I'll see negative 2 is greater than negative 4. Why? Because any number is more than the number to its left. If I want to compare 2 and positive 2 and positive 1. Again, to this statement, any number is more than the number to its left. So positive 2, it will be greater than positive 1. If I want to compare 4 and negative 4. So positive 4 or 4 is greater than negative 4 because any number is more than the number to its left. On the vertical number line, I have positive integers and negative integers. If I want to compare positive integers to the 0, I can say positive integers greater than 0. Positive integers greater than 0. What about negative integers? Negative integers less than 0. Negative integers less than 0. Again, if I want to compare them to each other, I can say any number is less than number above it. Any number is less than the number above it. What that mean? If I want to compare negative 2 and 0. Negative 2 and 0. So negative 2 is less than 0. Negative 2 less than 0 because we said any number is less than the number above it. Another one, any number is greater than the number below it. Any number is greater than the number below it. What that mean? If I want to compare positive 1 and negative 3. positive 1 and negative 3. Positive 1, it will be greater than negative 3 because positive 1 is a positive number, and we said any number is greater than the number below it. Okay, so by using a vertical number line or the horizontal number line, we can understand that positive integers greater than 0, negative integers less than 0. Look at these examples. I want to compare these integers by writing greater than, less than, or equal. I have negative 10 comparing with positive 6. I have a negative integers comparing with positive integers. Here I can say the positive integers is greater than the negative integer. The positive integer is greater than the negative integer. So I'll put that sign. Now in example number 2, I want to compare positive 7 with 0. We know the positive integers is greater than 0. So I'll use this sign. Positive 7 is greater than 0. Now I want to compare 0 and negative 8. If I want to compare 0 and negative 8, I know that negative integers are less than 0. So if I want to compare them, I can say 0 is greater than negative 8. Now I want to compare negative 2 and negative 5. In this case, I know negative 2, it will be greater than negative 5. Now we want to explain how can we order integers. When we order integers, you can use the number line or you can use the positive integers greater than 0, negative integers less than 0. But you can draw a number line to order integers. In this example, I want to order each set of integers from least to greatest. At example number 1, I want to order negative 6, negative 10, negative 8. In example 2, I want to order 9, 2, and 4. In example 3, I want to order 2, negative 2, and 0. In example 4, I want to order 7, positive 7, positive 5, negative 7, and negative 5. Look to the answers. I want to order the first set. I have negative 6, negative 10, and negative 8. When we order them, we'll start from negative 10 because if we order them on the number line, we know that any number is less than the number to its right. So if we start from the least to greatest, the least value it will be negative 10, then negative 8, then negative 6. Example 2, I have positive 9, positive 2, and positive 4. I want to order them. I know any number is greater than a number to its left on the horizontal number line. So I can start from positive 2 as a least value, then positive 4, then positive 9. Example 3, I have 2, -2, and 0. I know the negative integers less than 0. So I'll start with -2 as least value, then 0, then +2 because I know positive integers greater than 0. Example 4, I have 7 or +7, +5, -7, and -5. When I order them, the least numbers or the least integers will be the negative integers. So I'll start from -7, then -5, then +5, then +7. We know that positive integers are always greater than the negative integers. So positive integers greater than negative integers, positive integers greater than 0, negative integers less than 0. I hope you enjoyed today. Thank you, grade 6.